Hello friends, what's up? Welcome to our channel Latest Mind. Are you a mathematics student? Wasted your 6 months for opening of schools and still facing problem in learning mathematics? So don't worry, I am here gonna to help you how to tackle maths in just 6 months. Yes, in just 6 months. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. How? With topper strategy of scoring 100 marks. So, let's get started. In this video, I will tell you some major important points. So, don't skip this video. Watch this video till the end. My first point is that not to repeat the mistakes that you have done earlier. What? Not to repeat the mistakes that you have done earlier. Make a promise to yourself. As CBSE have deleted major portion of our syllabus, so we should have a copy of that syllabus sticking on a wall. Yes, what? Sticking on a wall. Thirdly and most important point is that the how to get started. What? How to get started. And the second question is that from where to start, whether from chapter 1 or chapter 8 or chapter 10. My suggestion always says that always focus on highest weightage chapter. What? The chapter which contain the highest weightage in the exam, which contain more points in exams. And the most important point of this video is that not to start from first chapter. What? Not to start from first chapter, as first chapter is considered to be very boring. So we always like to do that chapter. As for CBSE class 10 syllabus, always start from trigonometry. But why from trigonometry? Not from other chapter? Because trigonometry is the base of our higher classes maths. Make formula sheet of particular chapter that you are doing. It depicts that if you are doing a particular chapter, so make sure that you are making a formula sheet. Practice PYQs for crystal clearance of chapter. It means that if you are doing a particular chapter, like that if you are done with trigonometry, not go for other chapter, practice PYQs, that is previous year questions of that particular chapter, so that you will know that which type of questions are asked in boards. And the most important point is that mark question which you find difficult to do. Most of the time we mark a circle or a line or star on the question in which we are finding difficult. No, don't do this. Make a different symbol. Make a unique symbol that symbolizes that this question is difficult, so that when you are revising that question, do that question at least 1 to 3 times. And this is the topper secret that all toppers follow. It is that give a separate time to revise the chapter. That is, if you are revising a particular chapter, do not leave it for another day to revise. Revise on that particular day. At last, I want to say that subscribe our channel Latest Mind.